Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Welcome around the world and welcome to my world. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome, you guys. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my paste date syrup. The date syrup is just like honey. So if you like the taste of honey, then you'll love the taste of dates, because date syrup is way better and it has more fiber in it. So I purchased these Medjool dates, organic jewel dates, and they're pitted. Now, sometimes when I go to Costco's, they do have the kind with the seed, and I'm learning that you can do different things with the seeds. That's it. They say you can make coffee with it. Haven't experimented with that, but remember, I'm a work in progress, so I am learning all kinds of stuff. But today, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing with the syrup. So basically, with the dates, I'm going to make the syrup, and right here, I've been boiling my dates. You see this? This is boiled. So you basically take some dates like I just showed you, and then you boil them, right? And then you put them inside of a strainer or a nut bag, basically. I have nut bag, but I don't know where it's at because I've been using something else. So basically, that's what the nuts like. You heat them up, and you see that? Basically. Look at that drain, look at that drain. And it comes out. Okay, you see that? Let me see here. Bottom of that. And it comes out like this little syrup here. This is the syrup. This is what comes from, it's just dates and water. Dates and water. And you basically try to get out as much juice, liquid from the dates. And let me set this over here. I'm gonna set this here. Basically, so once you finish that, and it's kind of it. So basically, you can go back and you can reheat. Most people, I kind of just, once I do this, I let it cool down, and it's already date syrup. Or you can go back once you're done with the, let me see here. Look at that. Ooh. Basically, look. This will be syrup liquid. So you can let it simmer a little longer, right? So basically, I'm going to let this simmer a little longer. And that's the syrup. That's all it is. It's basically just the juice from the dates. My goodness. Okay? So now let's do the date paste. So we'll take this leftover dates from there, and then we'll put it inside our blender, or whatever kind of blender you have at home. And then you can add some more dates, right? I got some more dates. And these are nice and soft. Nice and soft. This is just going to require 2 ingredients. Dates, soft dates that you can use overnight. So the key thing is you just want to make sure they don't have, that's what's important. Most of them don't have that pit, but you are supposed to double check. See? And then just double check to make sure that there's nothing in there, right? But just the date. I'm just adding some extra dates in here so you guys can see what it looks like, what they look like inside. They're mushy, really mushy now. And we'll add, so next step is to add some water, some fresh water, right? See that? Dropping stuff. Ooh, ooh. See that? Add just a little water. And you put the top on the blender. And you speed. See, you're just adding just the dates and the water. You let it blend. I think I'm gonna take this up just a little notch, a little bit more. Look at that. I like my paste a little thicker than the syrup. And you have, oh my goodness, look at that. You have created, yes indeed, you have created, but the G-Mom's making a mess up in here, but you created some paste. Let me show you a little closer look up at this. You created your own date paste. It looks like applesauce, but baby honey, this stuff is sweet. You can add this to, any kind of, like I'm gonna add, I make golden milk. Okay, let me see if it's gonna come out that way. I make golden milk with almond milk. Okay, it's not liking this right here. Let me just show you. So basically, go here. So that'll come out. See? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Take another look at this stuff. Date paste. You can add this into anything. Really. I just kind of added it into my milks. My homemade nut milk. So I make almond milk. I'm going to make a video about that. I make almond milk. I make pistachio milk. I make walnut milk. I make coconut milk. They call them nut milks, right? Basically. And this will sit in your refrigerator for like 3 weeks, they say. Mine don't last that long because I use it so much. Because I don't use white sugar anymore. I'm not using, your natural. I'm using more natural stuff. That's what I would say. This is more natural and dates, honey. Look up dates. Dates come with major fiber that we need for our gut health. Hope you guys can see that. Let me see here. Look at that. Because with your gut, for your gut health. So you have, if you have a cuter jar, you can, but this is just basically a mason jar that I stir it in. Okay. Once it goes into the refrigerator, right now it's kind of warm still, but once it goes into the refrigerator, look at that. It will sit and look pretty beautiful, and man, you will enjoy this. So that's basically my nut. Not my nut. This is my my date paste and my date. Oh, look at, now you see the difference now of here look at the difference in the syrup. Let's move that out the way so you can see that part. In the date syrup. Okay. You guys can see this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I will let this sit and cool down. But I have plenty of mason jars around here, and I can just put it in a mason jar. I suggest you put it in some kind of jar. If you don't have mason jars, they spaghetti jars, whatever you buy from the store. But this right here will be fantastic once it cools down. And it's, again, you can use it like honey. You can use it like syrup, maple syrup, natural remedies. You try this at home.